I bought another thing with a perfect handle screwdriver. I lost the wood piece. I took it apart. It wasn't put together very well. See, it's actually, this one's pretty straight. It's actually pretty clean. The tip is in, it could be a little better. But I was like, oh, cool, another one. I had to buy a whole bag of junk. I threw the rest of it out, but this was the only thing I really kept was this little windy drill thing. It's kind of stuck, and he's like, last time I couldn't turn it backwards and it unscrewed, but it's what's it called? Lay Tool, England. If you can see that, it's pretty cool. Another wall hanger. Maybe I'll repaint it. Who knows? I've seen it's even got like some nasty tape on it. Gross. It's like whatever. But yeah, that's that. And that was pretty much it for that thing for now. That's my other little tool haul. $10. That whole big thing for. And here's the. Oh yeah. Here's the rest of the shit. I had to buy a screwdriver. One crappy ass screwdriver, which I see people online making new handles for it, but I'm like, you know what? Trash. A Japanese level, which garbage. A chipping hammer that probably isn't worth chipping ice with. Oh, here's the crappy ass end of the thing. It's pretty ugly. Another ugly old wooden handled screwdriver. But I mean, the screwdriver end looks pretty good. Even this one, I shouldn't complain actually. Sorry about that. My camera was full. So anyway, what I was saying is the tips on these things are not bad. Arco like this, little miniature. I think these are they're not carpenter hammers. I forget what the hell they're for. It's what the hell, upholstery hammer, I think. So yeah, bunch of junk. Put it in the bag. Maybe I'll attempt to figure out how the hell this went together and how it goes back together or whatever. Clean them up. This one's not too bad. The little metal thing came out. The wooden handle might come apart. Who knows? This is like, says Japan on it. Pretty much a bunch of crap. So yeah, that was my little tool haul. And what else? I think that's it for now.